Y'all, haven't you noticed? The world around us is alive with energy. Everything around us vibrates with energy. It's in the rustling leaves, the flowing rivers, and the gentle breeze that caresses your face. It's in the air we breathe, the laughter of children, even the stillness of a quiet morning. Every moment, every scene is infused with this vibrant energy. And just like those twinkling stars in the night sky, our dreams have their own unique energy, just waiting to be ignited. They shimmer with potential, waiting for us to recognize and embrace them. You see, the universe responds to the energy we put out there. It's like a cosmic dance, where our intentions and desires set the rhythm. Think of it like tuning into your favorite radio station. When you find the right frequency, the music flows effortlessly, filling your space with harmony. When you align your dial to the right frequency, the music flows effortlessly. It's a beautiful symphony that resonates with your soul. The same goes for our dreams. They are like melodies waiting to be played, harmonies waiting to be discovered. When we focus our energy, our thoughts, and our feelings on what we truly desire, we send out a powerful signal to the universe. It's like sending out a beacon of light, guiding our dreams towards us. And honey, the universe always delivers. It listens, it responds, and it brings forth the manifestations of our deepest desires. So keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep aligning your energy with your dreams. The universe is always ready to dance with you, to bring your dreams to life. Now, let's talk about visualization. It's not just about seeing your dream job in your mind's eye, it's about feeling it in every fiber of your being. Imagine yourself walking into that bright office, the warmth of congratulations on your first big promotion. Feel the excitement bubbling in your chest as you present your innovative ideas, the joy of collaborating with a team that feels like family. Don't hold back, darling. Let yourself feel the satisfaction of a job well done, the pride of building a business that lights you up from the inside out. Remember, the universe responds to your feelings, so feel it real, feel it good. Visualizing is powerful, but you know what adds that extra oomph? It's the act of putting pen to paper, writing it down. Get yourself a beautiful journal, one that makes your heart sing, and start writing down your vision. This isn't just any journal. It's a sacred space where your dreams take their first breath. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation. Just let the words flow from your heart onto the page. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where perfection isn't the goal, expression is. Describe your dream job in detail. What does your ideal day look like? Picture yourself waking up in the morning, feeling excited and energized. What are the first things you do? How do you feel as you go through your day? What kind of environment are you working in? Is it a bustling office filled with creative minds or a quiet studio where you can focus deeply? Who are your colleagues, your clients, your collaborators? Imagine their faces, their voices, their energy. The more specific you are, the clearer the signal you send to the universe. It's like tuning a radio to the exact frequency you need. The universe is always listening, always ready to respond. Think of it as creating a treasure map, honey. You're outlining the path, marking the landmarks, and the universe will guide you every step of the way. Each word you write is a step closer to your dream, each sentence a landmark on your journey. So take your time, be detailed, and let your imagination run wild. The universe is your co-creator, and together you're painting your dreams on the canvas of reality. And don't stop there. Create a vision board to complement your journal. Fill it with images, quotes, and anything that resonates with your dream. Place it somewhere you'll see every day, a constant reminder of where you're headed. Meditate on your vision. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dream as if it's already your reality. Feel the emotions, the joy, the fulfillment. This emotional connection is the fuel that powers your journey. Remember, this is your journey. Embrace it with an open heart and a joyful spirit. The universe is your partner in this grand adventure, and together, there's nothing you can't achieve. So go ahead, start painting your dreams on the canvas of reality. The masterpiece is already within you, just waiting to be revealed. Now, some of you might be thinking, but Esther, I don't even know what my dream job looks like. And that's a perfectly valid feeling. Many of us have been conditioned to follow a certain path, to fit into predefined roles. And sometimes it can be hard to break free from that mold and envision something uniquely ours. And that's okay, sugar. The universe is bursting with endless possibilities, just waiting for you to discover them. Think of the night sky, filled with countless stars, each one representing a different opportunity, a different path you could take. It's a vast expanse of potential, and it's all there for you to explore. Maybe you dream of creating content that inspires millions. Imagine the joy of knowing that your words, your ideas, your creativity are touching lives, sparking change, and spreading positivity across the globe. Picture yourself typing away under a canopy of stars, each keystroke a step closer to your dream. Maybe it's speaking your truth on a stage, sharing your gifts with the world. Visualize the thrill of standing before an audience, the spotlight on you, the stars twinkling in the background, as you pour your heart out, connecting with people on a deep, meaningful level. Your voice has the power to inspire, to heal, to transform. Or perhaps it's leading a team, using your skills to make a real difference in people's lives. Envision yourself guiding a group of passionate individuals, all working together under the same starry sky, united by a common goal. Your leadership could be the beacon that lights the way for others, helping them achieve their dreams too. It could even be building your own business, being your own boss, and setting your own hours. Picture the freedom of crafting your own schedule, the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life, and the pride of knowing that you built something from the ground up. The stars are the limit when it comes to your potential. There's no right or wrong answer, honey. Your dream job is as unique as you are, and it doesn't have to fit into any conventional box. The night sky is vast and varied, just like the possibilities for your career. Each star is a reminder that your path is your own, and it's okay to take your time finding it. What matters is that it lights you up, that it makes your soul sing, that it feels like coming home. When you find that thing that makes you feel alive, that fills you with passion and purpose, you'll know you're on the right path. So keep looking up, keep dreaming, and trust that the universe has something beautiful in store for you. Now let me tell you about the secret ingredient, the golden thread that weaves it all together. Gratitude. When you approach your desires from a place of gratitude, you create a powerful magnetic force. Start by being thankful for what you already have, for the roof over your head, for the love in your life, for the very breath in your lungs. Then, start being grateful for your dream job, even before it manifests. Feel the joy of receiving it, the excitement of experiencing it, the satisfaction of living it. Gratitude opens your heart to receive all the abundance the universe has in store for you. You see, manifesting your dream job isn't about forcing or striving, darling. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe, with the cosmic dance of abundance that's always swirling around you. Imagine yourself as a beautiful, radiant star, and your dream job is another star, shining brightly in the vastness of space. You don't have to chase after it. You don't have to force it to come to you. All you have to do is align your energy with its energy and let the universe do the rest. Now, I know there will be times when doubt creeps in, when fear tries to dim your light. It's okay, sugar. We all go through it. But don't let those negative thoughts take root. Acknowledge them and then gently guide your focus back to your vision. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. So choose thoughts that empower you, thoughts that uplift you, thoughts that remind you of your own magnificence. Never forget, darling, you are a magnet for miracles. You are worthy of abundance, you are deserving of joy, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Trust in the timing of the universe, believe in the power of your own desires, and never ever give up on your dreams. So go on, honey. Embrace the energy of your dreams. Let it flow through you. Let it guide you. Let it transform you. The universe is waiting to conspire with you, to shower you with blessings, to make your heart sing with joy. All you have to do is believe. And remember, darling, I'm always here cheering you on every step of the way.